If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. All right, so this video is for anybody who has recently joined LiveGood or you are thinking about joining the LiveGood opportunity. Now, if you're not familiar with what LiveGood is, it is one of the hottest online business opportunities right now. Thousands of people are joining LiveGood every single day, and there's no signs of it slowing down at all. Now, I obviously am a LiveGood member, been a member for about 4 or 5 months now, am loving this opportunity, and like I'm in this for the long haul. But the point of this video is, you know, with all that being said, what I just said about LiveGood, how cool it is, this is amazing, blah, blah, blah. A lot of people are joining every day. There's also people quitting. You know what I'm saying? There's people quitting LiveGood on a regular basis for whatever reason. And that's just how it is. I personally don't understand it because it's so inexpensive to stay in LiveGood, and the earning potential is crazy, and the products are good. So I don't know why people would quit LiveGood, but hey, everybody do what they gonna do. But one thing that I want to touch on was I seen the other day a person quit LiveGood, and it was the dumbest reason ever why this person quit the company. Here's why they quit. All right. So in most cases, when people join LiveGood, like, you can get access to all these different Facebook groups, right? So the group that I'm involved in, Team Diamond, like, I love my group. It's so positive. I got some heavy hitters in my group, big leaders in my group, right? So we have our own, you know, Facebook chat, whatever. And I could actually join other, you know, LiveGood Facebook groups if I wanted to, you know, because I'm a member. So in my group, I was looking through, and like, our group has thousands of people. And I was scrolling through, right? Everybody's positive, everything's cool, everybody's like, you know, supporting each other and talking about success and giving marketing ideas. And I see this one post, and somebody pretty much was like, yeah, thanks to the assholes in this group for answering my question. I'm so glad I quit this company. And I saw that, and I'm like, wait a minute. You really quit? You really quit LiveGood because of a Facebook group? Are you serious? Like, when I saw that right there, it kind of annoyed me, because I'm like, all right, that right there show you're not serious. You're not about your business at all. If you let somebody in a Facebook group who you didn't like, I guess, their response, or they didn't answer you in the way that you wanted, you actually just quit the company. Does that make any damn sense? You know what I'm saying? Because like with LiveGood, what a lot of people don't understand is, if you join LiveGood and you just suck at marketing, or you just having a tough time or whatever, you still have a chance to earn money, even just by staying, you know, by paying your $10 a month membership fee. It puts you in the position, it keeps you in the position to earn money. It'll take you longer to earn money, you know what I'm saying, if you're not, you know, referring people and being active, yeah. But you still can earn a decent amount of money just by staying in, right? So, like, to me, like, how serious was that person about this opportunity if a Facebook group, not even the LiveGood company, like, it's not even them, that, you know, it's what a person said in a Facebook group made them go to their LiveGood account and shut it down. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, who the hell is you hurting? You're not hurting anybody in the Facebook group. You're not hurting anybody on the Facebook platform. You damn sure ain't hurting nobody in the LiveGood company. All you're hurting is yourself and your earning potential. So if somebody is thinking about joining LiveGood, like, understand, first and foremost, being involved with groups, that's cool. You know what I'm saying? And having support systems, that's cool. But ultimately, the success is going to be up to you. Like, you got to be a motivator of yourself. You got to go, you know, find out when the webinars are, right? You can plug in. You don't even got to be a Facebook group member to log on to the webinars. to get marketing ideas. You could even watch other people's YouTube videos to get marketing ideas. So if you go in or get into LiveGood or just got started, like, please do not let other members of LiveGood deter you from being successful in LiveGood. But honestly, like, that's just that person to me. Like, that just blew my mind. Like, really? Like, as dope as this opportunity is, you're gonna quit because of somebody? That's just crazy. Come on now. Like, you know, and on top of that, real quick, I'm done with this damn video. First of all, that person could have just went to, you know, they could have just left the Facebook group if they wanted to. They could have actually joined another LiveGood Facebook group if they wanted to. You know what I'm saying? Or they could just completely don't even worry about it, ignore it, and just focus on building your LiveGood business. That's what they could have did, instead of coming on the, you know, whatever. That's crazy. And on top of everything else, like, the group that I'm in is super cool, super positive, and it's just like crazy to me. All right. But anyway, if you are not currently a LiveGood member, you can jump on the team right now. All you need to do is click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the team.